Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on the do not disturb mode and how to schedule your do not disturb mode on your iPhone or iPad. So first of all, go to settings, and here you will see the do not disturb mode menu at the left side of the menu. As you can see, do not disturb mode, and then obviously the first section here is the do not disturb switch. And when you turn it on, you will see this little moon icon in the top right corner, and when you turn it off, it disappears, so you can always know if your do not disturb mode is on or off. But you can also schedule your do not disturb mode for a specific time. For example, for nighttime, when you're sleeping, you don't want to be disturbed by someone. Or you can also turn on do not disturb mode for your work hours or any preference that you have. So to do this, first of all, you have to turn on the schedule mode, and then you will get these three little sections where you can type in your hours in between which you want to have do not disturb mode turned on. So you can set, for example, the from hour from 8 a.m. to 14 p.m. and then at this period do not disturb mode will automatically turn on, and at 14 p.m. it will turn off automatically. And the third new section is the dim lock screen. If you turn this on in the do not disturb mode, it will lower the brightness of your screen. This can be useful if you use your do not disturb mode for nighttime. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one.